So that was the footage which you saw, which I shot with my Insta360 GO with this pendant here. Basically, I put this pendant inside my shirt, attaching the Insta360 GO right like this. Let's look at another accessory which I've done another test shot for. The next one is this little tripod here. So basically, I've just put this here and inserted it into a few interesting different places. So have a look. So that was the footage which you saw, which I shot with my Insta360 with this little stand here. I basically put here and put it into a few interesting different places in IKEA. It can simulate you buying a lot of stuff and getting stuff from different shelvings. It will definitely help you with your storytelling in terms of shooting videos for your own YouTube channel. If you guys want to know what I got inside this original package of this Insta360, you can click on the video right here. If not, stay tuned as I bring you guys a full review of this Insta360 in about a few weeks' time.